So one of the first things that we do with clients usually when we get started is a one-day workshop, what we think of as a marketing audit. We have a 175 question audit that we've developed over the years that is designed to give us a brain dump, to do a deep dive on your business. Before we do anything else, we really want to deeply understand what your vision is, what your experience is, what you know about your clients, what you know about your competitors, what you know about where your industry is going, what you've done before in terms of sales and marketing that has worked or not worked. And we want to make sure that we understand and that you understand what your unique value proposition is. I find a lot of businesses don't really have as clear an idea about what their unique value proposition is as they should, and that's really, really critical to marketing. You tend to have about 3 seconds to engage a new prospect's interest with any marketing artifact that you might put in front of them, from a website through to a brochure or an ad. There's not a lot of time in 3 seconds to communicate details. So you really need to be able to condense your UVP down into 3 words and a picture, as I always say. And so we will use this one-day workshop to identify any gaps or areas for improvement in your sales and marketing. We'll then go away and spend a week or so writing up a report and a list of recommendations for you as to what your next steps should be. We think of these workshops as a little bit like going to a doctor. A lot of people come to marketing agencies and say, hey, my sales aren't going great, or they're not where we think they should be. Give me some marketing. It's a bit like going to a doctor and saying, listen, I've got a pain in my stomach, give me some medicine. Now, a good doctor isn't just going to give you a prescription on the spot. They're going to do a barrage of tests. They're going to get you to poke your tongue out, look in your eye, poke and prod you, maybe send you for x-rays or ultrasounds, take blood tests. And that's what our workshop is. We are doing a diagnostic on your business over the course of that day, based on our 25 years experience in sales and marketing for businesses very, very large and very, very small, and trying to identify what we think the root causes of your sales and marketing issues are, so you can address them properly and not just put band-aids on them, which is unfortunately the approach that a lot of businesses take, and it doesn't give them a good return on their sales and marketing investment.